The number one cause of disability in the United States is lower back pain. 80% of the population will have some kind of lower back pain at some point in their lives. So when we have pain, like, we have to ask ourselves, what is that? You know, what is pain? It's not something we can pull in, reach out, and throw it away. It's a signal from your brain telling you that there's a problem there. And a lot of times we can ignore that. We kind of push through it, or we take some pills, maybe a muscle rub, to kind of get through the day and push through these things. And when pain is usually it's the last thing to show up, and it's the first thing to go away. And the longer we let these things linger, the bigger the problem can happen. So why is this so common? Well, if we look at today's world, what are we doing all day? A lot of us have sitting jobs. We're not as active as we need to be. We've got phones and screens where we're looking down. And some people have too active of a job. Maybe they're bending, lifting, twisting. They have very physical jobs. So these things can add up and cause dysfunction in your spine and lead to lower back pain. So it is super important that we don't let these things linger, and we treat them quickly and get them evaluated. And that's what we do here in the office, is to evaluate these problems and give you a solution to fix them. So some of the car accidents, falls, work injuries, sports injuries, those can be acute injuries when, if not dealt with properly, quickly enough, they lead to further problems down the road. I can't tell you how many times we see somebody in a car accident and they don't get care for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and their spine is just a mess by the time they get in the office. So really important that you do take care of these things quickly. Your brain is telling you when you're having pain that there is a problem there, and we shouldn't just be covering it up, because as we do that, the problem just gets worse and worse. So when we're putting this stress on our bodies, it's affecting not only the muscles, the joints, the ligaments, but more importantly, our nerves and our nervous system, which is the master controller of our entire body. So when our brain is sending us a signal through that nerve system, it's letting us know that there's stress and pressure on our nervous system, and we're not functioning to our potential. So when this happens, it's not just a muscle problem, it's a joint and a nerve problem. And it's really important that you guys get this addressed as quickly as possible. So if you like that video, stay tuned. We got more coming for our lower back segment. If you guys need to schedule an appointment, you can give us a call on the number below. Thanks.